Sprint5, Tony here, doing things and stuff. Right. So let's start with wire. So I got the train rendering. It does that. Got the AABs being calculated. Got the max there, and the min doing as they should. And if we look at terrain here, not really going any more than they really should. You saw over here, this is because my terrain slopes off. Because I made this one a while ago. That's why that looks weird, in case you were wondering. Also, I updated my GodCam controls. Not that it matters, because I'm the one controlling it, but so much. Anyway, uh, yeah, got that stuff working, sort of. Oh yeah, I only visualized 20% of the model or the terrain or visualize what would be the collision boxes on it, because if I do 100%, it just has goes down below like 5 frames a second, so completely unshowable. Yeah, I'm not even gonna bother showing that because that's just terrible. Well, I mean, you can see that it works. If you want, like, actually, that's just 10%, isn't it? It's supposed to be divided by 2 anyway. So yeah, this is the fresh hell that is the entire rendered. I'm gonna hold down escape until it finally registers. Right. Um, let's go over the code real quick. There's the triangle code. I should probably start from the top. This amazing piece of code that should burn in hell. Right. Uh, we've got, yeah, so just setting all the many different values needed to calculate things. This site is used to flip it around because it starts in the wrong direction. Yay. Um, yeah. Other than that, fairly normal or similar to rendering class here. UVs, although the UV repeats don't work. That's gonna require a redesign. Yay! I don't know why it doesn't work. Let me over from graphics. Well, actually, I know why it doesn't work. I don't know why it doesn't, like, it worked in graphics, but basically because there's the one when you repeat, it goes from 1 to 0. So then you need to have extra vertices in there, which I didn't have in here. But for some reason, it works in DX without having to have like the extra vertices on top of each other. I I don't know why. I It took me a while just to figure out that's why it was screwing up with the repeating UVs, but whatever. Redesign later. Yeah, here's the calculating the max. Actually, just set the first one to the max and min because yay, saving in if else. Uh, right, yeah, here's the setting it to the array, store it. Yeah, let's just move on to saving system because I don't really have this sprint done either. Kill me. um, anyway, uh, I made a UML diagram of the, you can pause and look at it if you want. the savable class has been changed a little bit, but mostly I haven't really worked on it that much. I've just been trying to catch up. So for better or worse, mostly worse. Mostly worse. I'm honest. Uh, I've not been putting my efforts in the right places. I regret a great many things. Anyway, so uh, right. So the way direction that I'm gonna go in though, savable is I'm gonna I actually had this idea in networking a couple weeks ago, I believe. Right. So I'm gonna the way that I'm gonna generalize it. This is probably gonna be this is probably the second, maybe the third iteration. No, I think this is what I want to try to get done for next week is to have generalized data or partially generalized data anyway. Basically, you're gonna have a templatized function. I know templates are evil and I hate them. Believe me, I hate them a lot. um, yeah, basically, take whatever type of data in, although you can't put in a pointer. That's basically the rule that I'm gonna have to roll with here. So no pointers, bad, or objects with pointers in them. Don't expect them to work when they come back. But you could sort of chain the saved files if you really wanted to. But yeah, I'm gonna use a sizo to record how much of like how many bytes it is, so that it'll add up all the bytes for each specific instance when it saves it into a header, so that when it pulls it out, it will be able to know how much to read out. And since the user is going to have a load and save data or defined function, actually this should be virtual. I forgot to put this virtual. Believe, yeah.